I just wanted to show you a little handy way I get paint off of hard surfaces like plastic or silicone. So this table surface here is some kind of faux wood, so it acts kind of like a plastic. So I just take a bit of dish soap and some very warm water, and I spread it over the surface, let that soak for, 10 minutes, then scrape it off with my plastic scraper. Then I just do a final wipe down with the paper towels, and there you go, quite a bit better. So next here I have some plastic stir sticks and a couple of silicone cups with some really dry flaky paint. And I like to use a 6-quart tub filled with hot water. Add in the dish soap, give it a good stir, and then let everything soak for 10 minutes. Then I take a paper towel and just wipe the paint off. And it comes off really easily. If you have a couple scratches, that might be hard to get paint out of the scratched areas, but for the most part, it just swipes off pretty easy. I should note this method works with dry paint. I have not tried this with wet paint. I imagine it's a lot messier with wet paint. So since it's not good to wash off any acrylic paint in your sink, I use a strainer to filter out the paint bits before I dump my water down the sink. Anyways, good as new. Really easy process. I love doing this. And these silicone cups are cleaned up really nice, but they did take a little bit extra wiping. Sometimes I had to use a damp paper towel again, but there you go, voila. And if you found this video helpful or interesting, if you could click the like button, that would help me help more people, and I would just really appreciate it. So thanks bunches, bye.